4.9 under square root plus 0.9 under square root. How to add decimals under square roots? So first of all, we have to remove the decimals. So 4 decimal 9 means 49 upon 10. We remove the decimal, write root 1 here, and then a 0 for the single digit after decimal. So it is 49 upon 10 under square root plus 0 decimal 9 means we remove the decimal, write 1 here, and then there is one digit after decimal, so it's 10. So 9 upon 10 under square root. Now when a upon b is under square root, we can write it as square root of a upon square root of b. So using this property, we can write here square root of 49 plus square root of 10 plus square root of 9 upon square root of 10. Now square root of 49 is 7 because 49 we can write it as 7 square under square root. So remove the square root with the square upon 10 under square root plus square root of 9 is 3 square under square root. So remove square root with the square upon square root of 10. So this is 7 upon square root of 10 plus 3 upon square root of 10. Now here we have two methods. Either we can add these two fractions because they have the same denominator, so they are like fractions, so we can simply add them, or we can rationalize the denominators here and then add the fractions. If we add the fractions like this, write square root of 10 because that is the common denominator, and add the numerator, so it is 10 upon square root of 10. Now since in the denominator we cannot have a radical for it to be a real number, we rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing it by the denominator. So this becomes 10 times square root of 10 upon square root of 10 square. Now remove the square root with the square, so this is 10 times square root of 10 upon 10. Now 10 and 10 gets cancelled, so answer is square root of 10. So this is one method. Another method is we can rationalize the denominators here only. If we have different denominators and not the same denominators, then it would have been 7 upon square root of 10 times square root of 10 upon square root of 10 plus 3 upon square root of 10 times square root of 10 upon square root of 10. So this is 7 times square root of 10 upon 10 plus 3 times square root of 10 upon 10. Now we have the same denominator, so 10, 7 times square root of 10 plus 3 times square root of 10. Now take square root of 10 as common, 7 plus 3 upon 10, or square root of 10, 7 plus 3 is 10 upon 10, 10 and 10 gets cancelled, so answer is square root of 10. You can use any of these two methods. Which method did you use? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.